to my travel diary. I would like to share with you a trip I had last September 11, 2021 to San Remegio in the province of Cebu. Now, by the way, going to San Remegio in a motorbike, kinukuha na ako in 2 hours and 30 minutes because as usual, ang travel from Cebu to Compostela is very horrendous. So, welcome to San Remegio. This is where I was last Saturday. This is the second time I've been here in San Remegio where I really stayed. I did not pass through lang. Usually when I come here, it is to just pass by and get to Hagnaya where I can take the ferry to Bantayan Island. The first time I was here, I was with friends, Lade and Angie, where we took part of a triathlon. I went to a place called Mer, which is a beach resort. It's not a really huge resort, but the place is very nice. When you first look at it, it's like brand new. Now, it is constructed somewhere in 2019 and 2020, and it is owned by Engineer Ursal and family. So, this is La Mer, and as I've said, the resort is not really very big, but the place is cozy. And you can just tell that the family who owns it really gave their personal touch to it to really make it their own. And they have a pool. And this is my favorite part, the beach. And would you look at that? So I spent my needed R&R here. I am blessed and I would love to be back soon to take with me my mom, my boyfriend, and my pamangkins. So next time na Mer, see you again soon.